Embarrassed by a declined Amex at the checkout? Don't worry, it happens. Here's a quick step-by-step to diagnose and fix it on the spot. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. First, stay calm and try again. Sometimes it's a simple glitch. If it declines again, immediately check the Amex app for a push notification. Amex is great at alerting you to suspicious activity. You may just need to tap, "Yes, it was me," to approve the transaction. If there's no alert, check for 1. Incorrect PIN. If you used 1, 2. Hitting your credit limit, or 3. International travel without notifying Amex first. My crucial pro tip: save the Amex text alert number in your phone. If you're in a bind, you can often reply, "Why?" to a fraud alert text message to instantly unblock your card, faster than calling customer service. Get your transaction approved and get on with your day. What's the most surprising place your Amex has been declined? Share your story. For more quick fix financial guides, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.